You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce this Greek name. We need to clarify one thing before we detail the exact pronunciation. This name here, pay attention to the little I here, okay? It's different from this one here, okay? You can see that there's no I in between the S and the U, okay? So this one here is the Greek god of wine, grape harvest and winemaking in the Greek mythology, okay? Now this name here that we're talking about now, if you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the god, make sure to stay tuned, okay? That's the god. This Greek name is pronounced as Dionysius, okay? Dionysius. It's very similar to the Greek god of wine. Dionysius, Dionysius. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.